Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a project in Framer. So as you can see, we are logged in and we are in our workspace. So if you wanted to change where you are and go to a different workspace, you can press that here. But as you can see, we are in our workspace, which is where we want to be. And then you'll have all your projects here. So if you want to delete one, what you want to do is come over to the three dots here at the bottom, give that a click, and then go to archive. And then you want to say archive project. And then if you're wanting to completely delete it, you want to come over to the left-hand side. As you can see, we've got our archive folder here. Give that a click. As you can see, our project is in there, and then you would want to press delete, and then it will be deleted completely forever. So if you want to give that a click, and then there you go, that has completely gone. And that's it, guys. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.